Hello and welcome to our library tutorial video on how to use saved searches. First, what is a saved search? A saved search allows you to use different criterias that you use to filter out books to find a result page that you like to browse and use those saved search parameters later at a different date and time without you having to go through and reset those criteria each time to find those books. And then later, if a library adds more books that fall under your search criteria, they'll be added to the list automatically without you having to change any other search parameters. First, search what you're looking for. So first I'm going to search for cats, and then I'm going to filter it to be juvenile, age level, followed by it to be books. And then under collection, I'm going to choose easy book. Now I found 672 search results that are words cats, they're juvenile, they're a book format, and they're in the easy book collection. To save the search for later, to save me from having to filter out the results myself again, I can go up to the section that says search results for and what I was looking for, and I can click save search. I can then rename it whatever I like. I might call it cats easy books, and then click save. The green bar confirms that this has been saved in my account. If I go up to my names account and then to the Save Search tab, it'll show me that I have my search name of Cats Easy Books. So let's say that a couple months go by and I want to find more books again about cats that are easy books that are in the juvenile section. I can click on this search, and instead of 672 books, it might be 800 books or more in this search result page. That allows me to see new books that have been found for this search for cats in the juvenile age level that are books in the easy book section. Going one step further, if you are a parent wanting to search for reading levels for a child, or you want to do an advanced search as an adult, you can click on either of these and do a search. So for reading level, I'm going to choose Alexile reading level, and I'm going to do 500, and then I can click on the settings here, and then I'm going to choose either 500, or I could then choose instead, it suggests maybe 400 to 550. I can also choose this and say, you know what, I want to have 500 to 600 on the Lexile reading scale, and then click reading level search. And now it shows me books that fall underneath the Lexile reading level of 500 to 600 range. To save this search result, I can click Save Search and name this Lexile 500 to 600. And then save. Now, if my child wanted to see a book that was an Lexile reading level between 500 and 600, I go back to my account to save searches and click on Lexile 500 to 600, and it'll show all the books and material that fall underneath the Lexile reading level of 500 to 600. And this collection will grow each time that there's new books added to this, and I can use this as often as I like and find new books for myself to read. For more information about how to use our library services, please visit www.unioncountylibraries.org/tutorials.